Start. This suit arises out of a contractual dispute between the plaintiff, Messrs. Sunrise Developers Private Limited, and the defendant, Mr. Ramesh Verma, concerning the construction of a commercial complex. The plaintiff alleges that the defendant failed to make installment payments as per the agreement dated 15 February 2023, leading to the suspension of construction work. The contract stipulated that the defendant would release payments in four equal installments tied to project milestones. The plaintiff contended that despite completing 70% of the project, the defendant defaulted on the third installment, amounting to rupees 10 lakh, thereby breaching the agreement. In response, the defendant claims that delays in construction justified the withholding of payments. However, the plaintiff presented documentary evidence, including correspondence and progress report, to demonstrate that delays were due to unforeseen circumstances beyond their control, such as labor shortages and adverse weather conditions. The contract explicitly allowed for extensions in such cases, provided that the affected party notified the other in writing. The plaintiff's email dated April and May 2023, notifying the defense of these issues, were not rebutted or acknowledged, indicating the defendant's failure to act in good faith. The court finds that the defendant's unilateral decision to withhold payment without valid justification constituted a material breach of contract. The doctrine of quantum merit is applicable, entitling the plaintiff to compensation for the value of the work completed. Further, as per Section 73 of the Indian Contract Act 1872, the plaintiff is entitled to claim damages resulting from the breach. The plaintiff sought rupees 10 lakh as outstanding payment, 3 lakh as loss of profit, and rupees 1 lakh as legal expenses, totaling rupees 14 lakh. After careful examination of the evidence and relevant legal provisions, the court concludes that the plaintiff's claim is legitimate and sustained. The defendant failed to provide credible evidence of any deficiency in the plaintiff's performance. Thereof, the court directs the defendant to pay the plaintiff rupees 14 lakh within 30 days of this order, with an additional interest of 6% per annum in case of delayed compliance. The suit is decreed in favor of the plaintiff with costs. The plaintiff is also granted liberty to seek further damages if subsequent losses arises due to defendant continued non-compliance. Let a copy of this order be served on both parties for immediate action. Stop.